What's up, my name's Technobi here for Troubleshoot and welcome back to another video. You've come around to this video most likely in September 2022 when OBS version 28 was released, though this video will definitely apply into the future. If you've just finished installing it, you click finish and it launches OBS. But you're greeted with a beautiful error message like this saying that all of your plugins are broken and you're not able to use OBS as per normal. What do you do? Well, it may have been very simple to miss this line of text over here saying that plugin compatibility did break as the UI has updated. Essentially, if you need to get back to streaming now, all you need to do is downgrade OBS Studio. The latest release, as far as I know, before version 28 is version 27.2.4, for which you'll find a direct link in the description down below, as more than likely version 28 is what you're watching this video from. Simply scroll down to the bottom of this page here and then download the version that matches your PC. There's a Mac installer, Windows 64-bit installer, and if you're using something like Linux, you'll need to follow through with the instructions on the website using sudo apt install or whatever it is for you, though at the very end you'll include a version in it. But that's outside of the scope of this video. When you do install a previous version, simply by downloading the installer and opening up the installer, you should notice that OBS Studio goes from version 28 or whatever it is in the top left down to whatever the previous version was. While I'm installing this, I will need to close OBS. There we go. You can see I've now successfully downgraded OBS Studio to 27.2.4 and here's the update notice. But as you can see, also in fine text once more, the warning up there that says plugins may break. Regardless, at this point, you've lost absolutely nothing. Your plugins are still set up and everything's set up exactly the way it was in 28, assuming you haven't messed around with any of the brand new features. If you have, well, simply that new functionality won't be available here as it hasn't been added yet. Regardless, now you can start your stream, get back to work. Thank you all for watching. My name's been Technobi here for Troubleshoot and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.